This is from Neil. Neil bought this.
Oh my god. Shit.
Watch out and open it carefully.
Ah, that's amazing. Don't tell me it lights up.
Yeah,
It does.
Oh my god, Damien, wait.
Damien, the battery's all in there, so
Really?
take everything off it.
It's totally authentic, Damien.
Oh my god.
Yes.
I used to fantasize about it.
Right, and you see the bobbly thing? Push it upwards. The bobbly one. The sort of rectangle. The square. This thing here. Push that up.
Touch something, hit something with it.
Hit. There's the doing it.
Why is it supposed to make a noise?
There you go, it does sort of.
Yeah. Hit me on the arm.
No.
It's steady.
God, this is
And then make it go back again. Press the button down.